make sure you have Google Chrome and ChatGPT. So first of all, take a good picture of yourself, and then you head over directly to your YouTube app. So go to the YouTube app and choose the specific video that is actually related to what you want to talk about in the video. So copy the URL by using the share, and then search for thumbnail downloader. So the moment you click on it, you paste in the URL, and then you click get thumbnail image. Some ratios are going to come out, and then you download one of them. So I'm downloading the first one, and then the moment you're done downloading, you move over to the next software, which is our ChatGPT app. So now you just click the plus icon, and then you import your own picture you snapped and the thumbnail that you want to replicate, because actually we are actually doing something similar, so we can get a similar result. So you have to look for a thumbnail with a video that has good quality, with good reviews, like good views on it. So type in something like this, and then you send it to the software. It's gonna generate. This is not the final step, this is just step one of it. There are two steps involved. So after some time, it's gonna generate our image for us, and so here is the first outcome you're gonna be getting. Boom. So if peradventure you did something like me, this is not what you actually want, you can now change everything to make it look like yours by inputting another prompt, and then in few minutes you're gonna just wait for it to load, and obviously it's gonna give you outcome of what you expected. But to achieve the 500k views, you must follow these two principles. Number one, you must be replicating a thumbnail that is already successful, and number two, you must not make it look too exactly like the previous, or else they will scroll past thinking it's the video they've already watched. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's your boy Coach Favor.